Welcome once again to the Daily Message. In today's reading from the book of Genesis, we hear that God, after having created the man from the dust of the earth, wants to find a suitable partner for him, as he says. And so he creates animals and birds and brings them to the man and has the man name them all. But as the reading says, none proved to be the suitable partner for the man. So then it says, the Lord cast a deep sleep on the man, and while he was asleep, he took out one of his ribs and closed up its place with flesh. And so he built up a woman out of the rib of the man. And the man, when he saw her, said, "This one at last is bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. This one shall be called woman, for out of her man this one has been taken." So this reading tells us that we are not made to be alone, that we are social creatures by nature. We are not isolated individuals by nature. We are made to live and to get along together, not just in marriage. We're made to get along with each other in many other communities, family, workplace, parish, neighborhood, city, country. In fact, we are made to get along with the entire world. And so that's one of the lessons of this reading today. But there's something else. It also says or implies that we are responsible for each other. That because we're social creatures, we have a duty, a responsibility to look out for the well-being of each other. Cain will say to God after he murdered his brother Abel, he'll say in answer to God's question, "Am I my brother's keeper?" And the answer to that question is profoundly, yes, we are. We are our brothers and our sisters' keepers. And so this reading once again reminds us of something that's very important and elemental to our Christian faith and to the Judeo-Christian heritage. Thank you once again for watching. Have a great day.